slightly earlier today because I want to do this before I go for my dinner, right? So come on in. Let me know where you are, right? Today is as interesting. I'm going to share with you some uh, analysis live. I'm going to plot the chart and tell you my take on approaching today, which is almost ending. So I'm going to share with you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks for coming, Patricia. Yeah. So hi Mui Hon. Hi Cynthia. Wow, Cynthia, not busy, Should be busy, right? Normally you still working at this time. Okay, so today I'll be sharing with you what I think about the mainly the US stock market because US stock market is going to open, right? And one or two forex pair that I feel like is going to move, right? But it has already moved, but I think it has still more room to go on. Okay, to go on. Okay, secret here. Anyway, you're running around, right? You're running around, so doesn't really matter whether you're working or not. You enjoy your job, right? So this is a $10 haircut, and when I go, it's like 10 people. Yeah, I thought 2 or 3 days later, I go and cut. It should be better because from what I know, yesterday people can start cutting their hair, right? But today I went also long queue. I went to Seabay Mall. I think it's East Point, but apparently there was a long queue of 10 people, and the rest of the food stall there's no queue. Okay, yeah, this is live. Yes, this is live. Why do you think it's not live? It's live. I can see 9 of you here. Okay, press the like button. Press the love button. Share, and in fact, share in your timeline or things like that. Let people enjoy because, like I say, Monday, if you have shared my analysis, you may have benefited some of your friends who are secretly trading, and and if they have taken what I said on gold to go up or crude oil to go up or even Dow Jones to go down, probably, maybe they will have made some money, right? Share this, really, share this, okay? Share this, click the like and love button. Yes, I mean, those who are new to me, who are not my students, first time attending, I want you to take a look at my Monday Facebook Live where I forecast live how the market is going to move for this week. And as of now, today is like, what is the day today? I don't even know. Today is Thursday, right? And the market has already been 4 days since I forecast it, and it has moved according to what I have said, right? So share this if you think that people is going to benefit from or your surrounding friends, Uh, this is not my normal haircut, actually. This is not my normal haircut. Thanks for saying. Uh, when my hair is a little bit long, I can't think well. When I can't think well, I can't focus. And when I can't focus, I can't look at the charts and things like that. Right. So without further ado, let me show you some exciting stuff. Okay. Some of you may have seen this, may not have seen this, but let me switch over. Okay, as you can see, I'm right now in profit of how much is that? $160. And this is a trade that we just did today. Okay, how many of you type in the box? How many of you went into this trade? Type I went into this trade. Type I went into this trade with me, right? Type in the comments, right? So basically, this is in profit, and let me show you the chart and show you why I took this trade, and also how I see this trade going forward, so that you can prepare for it. Um, and for those of you who just joined, also the same thing. Okay, let me close this off first. Let me show you the chart. Um, okay, so basically, what happens is okay, let me show you. This is USD Japan. It is moving up as well. Okay, typically of Japanese yen. Okay, so basically over here we are trading a divergence. Okay, we are trading a divergence, and we are trading it up. And of course, it has retraced a little bit. Doesn't matter because we are already in profit, and I foresee it to test around 131.00. Okay, I foresee it to test. It may not test. It may turn all the way down and go all the way down. But right now, I want all of you who have been into this trade to shift your stop loss to your entry point. Okay, to your entry point, so that you can protect yourself and make this a risk-free trade. As at the same time, take some partial profit, right? Take some partial profit. So if you take some partial profit already and shift your stop loss to your entry point, you actually can have a nice dinner without worrying. And if we move, we can write the profits. If not, we already have some profits in our account, right? At most, it hit our entry level, we don't lose a single cent. And in fact, we make a little bit of money, right? So this is how we will do it. But basically, I'm aiming at close to 131. If it don't touch 131, if it goes to 130.90, you have to watch it very closely. Really. Okay, you have to watch it very closely. If it turns back, then maybe you just close it for the profits. Okay, close the entire trade. So this is how we look at it. And going forward, this is a trade that I'm looking at. So I want you all to take a look at it also. We can monitor it together and trade it as well. Okay. So of course, as I'm speaking, if you have any forex pairs that you want me to take a look at, I can also take a look at them. Right. So um, over here, this is the um, S&P. Okay, this is the S&P. As of Monday, Monday is here, right? Monday is somewhere here. So if you look at my mouse, Monday was somewhere here, and I say that it's going to go down, and it did go down pretty much a lot, right? If you traded short term, will have been good profits, right? So following this, I expect that there will be some very, very short, in fact, today, upward momentum. If there is, okay, there should be, okay, when market open, okay, it may not happen now. It may happen during market open at 9:30, okay. So if you want to trade it up for very short, you need to get out within the day. Then you can maybe use the 10 minutes chart to trade it. Apart from that, uh, I would say within today, after it goes a little bit up, we should be looking at shorting opportunity to short it down. But having said that, it may happen around midnight or slightly after midnight, right? For it to continue to go down. Okay, that's my take. Maybe wrong, maybe right, because I'm just talking about today, today for the S&P, right? So that's my take on the S&P. So if we take a look at the gold side, okay, gold side, pretty much uh, for the rest of today or even after midnight, just very short term 12 hours time frame, it may have slight selling pressure to come down a little bit. Okay, come down a little bit. So watch out for that. And for of course, I mean, gold is something that we traded somewhere on Monday, somewhere here. Okay, this is Monday. So we traded here and it went up. We took the profit, right? Those who have not seen it, check out my Facebook live yesterday where I showed the profits that I closed the trade on, on gold, right? So we did trade it on Monday and closed it yesterday. Okay, pretty much it didn't move much even one day later, which is today, right? Uh, uh, so that's about it for and of course crude oil. I'm I'm pretty much still bullish. Okay, I have been bullish since Monday, and in fact, okay, so yeah, still waiting for a good entry point to get in on crude oil, right? Um, so we'll see. Crude oil will, if in fact for the rest of this week or even next week, crude oil should be on the way, going up. Okay, going up. So pound. So uh, pound USD, pound USD, pound USD, pound USD. Okay. Normally, if you look at pound USD, uh, what we want to know is that, of course, now is in selling pressure, but if you look at this, is pretty much, I would say, I would say, a most short-term bottoming out, but not yet, not yet. Which means what? It still have some downward move to go. Okay, some downward move to go, but pretty much close to uh, ending. Okay, meaning that there may be a very short surge up. Okay, a very short surge up from here. Okay, short surge up from here. But having said that, I would say if I were to trade this, I will still look for opportunity to slightly trade uh down. Okay, uh, would I trade the reversal for it to search up? Answer is yes also, but I need to look at find a good timing to get in. Okay, right now the way I see it, um, maybe market open there may be a slight surge, maybe just maybe only. Okay, market open for US stock market. If it opens, there may be a short surge up based on what I see. Okay, based on what I see. Okay, I may be wrong. Okay, I may be wrong. Disclaimer first. Okay, yeah. So that's the thing about trading. You can never be too sure. Okay. Uh, so Cynthia here says that SAA me took both buy and sell and close. Good for you. Happy for you. Okay. So yeah, good to see Anu. Happy for you. You went to this trade. Uh, Wei Hun also went into this trade. Happy for you, right? And focus strategy also went into this trade, right? Okay, Cynthia went into 1-1, sell at 1-7. Okay, we went in slightly earlier. Okay, but still good. Profits is still profit, right? Yeah. What do you think, mentor? You are the gold specialist, even though you are my student, right? Okay, let me take a look. Really want to trade? Really want to trade? Trade down, lor. If really want to trade, is trade down. Today only, lah. In the next few hours, yeah, trade down. Just today only. Trade down very short term. I would say trade down. Trade down, take quick profit. I mean, you monitor it very closely, so no issue. Okay. If it suddenly turns, you'll be quick enough to get out also. Yeah. Okay. So very short term is I would say, yeah, just today this few hours before midnight, before you sleep, trade down. Cause after this if you look at this after this move down, right? Okay, it will start to go up, right? So you have to be quick get the profits and run. Okay, pound cap, pound cap, pound cap. Mm, I'm more prone to the bullish side for pound cap. That means for it to go up. Okay, for it to go up. Yeah. Okay. Right now, if you say no, Thomas, you must trade this, then I'll look for opportunity to trade out. Okay, even though it may test the low here, then before you go up. Hard to say. It could test the low here at this point, break the low slightly, then go up, or go up from here either. Anybody's guess. Okay, trading is like we want to stack the odds in our favor in all the other in terms of momentum, price action, things like that. So right now, maybe 60, 70% to trade out. So when I'm almost 80, 90% to trade up, then I will execute that trade. Okay. So right now, there is easily a 40 or even 45% chance that it will test the low here. So because of that, same thing for pound USD just now that I just mentioned, just at 55%, 45% counting. So uh, I'll wait a little bit more because being patient is very important. Yeah, yeah. Unless I can find a good entry, very very short term, going to the 10 minutes chart, I can just get in and trade, which is showing. Yeah, right now, if I were to trade very short, quick one, I may try to test buy out in the next 1, 2, or even 3 hours. If it still don't go up, maybe I'll just close it, wait for another entry just for this. Okay, yeah, can. How come my screen is gone? Okay, not sure what happened. It but basically you didn't see it just now. Let me show you again. For some reason, it's not there. Screen is not. Okay, forget about it. Okay, so thank you. So I'll end here. Any other questions that you want me to take a look or things like that, and I can actually uh, uh, analyze for you. If not, then that's about it. Okay, let's take a look at the trade that we have. Um, Still good profit, right? Okay. Probably this one we need to just wait for next tomorrow and see how it goes, because this is already we have some profits in place. We shift our stop loss to our entry, then we see how it goes, right? So I have 4 computers. Doesn't matter how many computers I have. I have 4. I'm planning to add another 2 because I think 4 is not enough. I can't. I need to keep switching and switching. Yeah, I think 4 is not enough. I think I want to get get more basically. Yeah, get more. Okay, I want to get more so that it's easier easier for me as well. Okay, so uh, do you see the chart just now for pound cap? Do you see the have right? Okay, this chart. You see it? Okay. Basically, yeah lah. Now is a good time to, if you really want to, then stop loss here. Okay, slightly below 1.7168. So maybe put 1.7165 or 164 or 163. 1.7163. Yeah, around there. 163 to 164. Then trade up. Go at least 1:1 risk to reward. Shift your stop loss to your entry and see how it goes. Okay. More bullish for this right now lah. I mean, for the next few hours, should be testing 1.724. 1.724 should at least test 1.724. If not, then better close the trade. Okay, that's all from me. Just want to share a quick analysis, mainly on the S&P. Right, I will see market open start to maybe move out a little bit. Market open start to move out a little bit. It could be much more than a little bit. Who knows? But my take is that it should at least try to move up today, just today. Okay, so I wanted to share this with you because later people say, Monday you say it's going to go down for this week. It doesn't mean every day you will go down for the week, right? But basically Monday when I say it was going to go down, it was pretty good lah. I mean, based on the whole week on Monday, if you have shorted, you actually shorted at the high of this week. Okay, I mean, you can see from the chart yourself. Okay? This is Monday chart. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday now. Okay, still got room for you to go down. Okay, even though I say today maybe a slight surge up before it resumes its move down. Okay, I say this is because if you are looking to buy stocks this week, then maybe can wait until Friday or even early next week to see whether the correction is over, then you buy, right? So that's all from me. Thank you so much. I hope you get tremendous value from my sharing on the markets. Um, thank you. If any questions you guys have, any questions? If not, I go for my dinner and you guys can go for your dinner, babe, or whatever. Yeah. So I'll try to share very quick analysis or 1 or 2 trades that I feel that, it's very highly probable that you can trade and make some money. Like I just share is for this. Okay. So yen in Japanese yen should be weakening, if I'm not wrong. Okay. Just for the day lah, day or even towards until tomorrow. Okay. So thank you so much. See you guys. I'll end here. Thank you for attending. Remember to press the like button and share this video. Let people know more about the analysis that we make, and maybe they can make some bucks as well. That's my main purpose of doing this, right? And of course, those who keep sharing my posts, actually, I give some perks to those of you, um, even give a $50 cash just to reward you for just to not just to reward you, just to appreciate you and show my gratitude, because I always believe feeling grateful and appreciative is nothing when I don't put some action to it. So I want to put some action to it. I will give $50 every week. Those who keep sharing my posts and liking my posts, things like that. So I want to reward you guys, especially my students and all the supporters out there. Okay. So remember, okay. Anyway, this is great value, right? So go ahead and share it and help more people make some bucks, like make some money. Okay. Thank you so much. Enjoy your you guys all have your dinner already. Okay, I go ahead and have my dinner now. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow morning or early afternoon. I'll do one sharing as well. Okay. So thanks. See you guys.